Hey guys, I'm Jonathan Donner. I wanted to take a moment to thank you guys so much for watching and supporting this account. Most of what you've seen, I'd say, over the past few years have been small, like short, perhaps inspirational paintings. And it's been a lot of fun. I'll continue doing some of those paintings along the way, but I gradually this year like to start making a transition, maybe perhaps to a bit more intermediate content, a little bit more challenging paintings, or perhaps a little bit more inspiring for you. I would also like to start sharing some of the older paintings that I've done, which were much more complex. We'll probably share them in somewhat of a reveal format, so you can see me just sort of sharing them. So it'll be a very short video, but it'll also be sort of a collection of what I've painted over the years. And I still have quite a few. Fortunately, I've sold quite a few paintings, but I also still have a few complex interesting paintings that I'm going to be sharing with you this year. Also, I forgot to mention the next long video that I post will be within a day or two. It's another underwater sort of theme. There's like a shipwreck, but I was trying to capture this sort of sunset sunlight that was coming through the top of the water, and it's underwater. It shows some deep seaweed and some an old shipwreck and a lot of, I think, structure and geographic interest in the background of the painting. So I'll do that in long form, but until I figure out the best way to do voiceovers, I would really like to also just add a few captions to help the viewer enjoy it or understand the techniques that we're using. All right, looking forward to that.